decided to organize a tree planting activity. As you all know, nowadays we live in modernization and surrounded with tall buildings, and we are very less with nature. So from this kind of tree planting activity, we can ask the society to come together and plant trees, as we are the factors to cutting down trees. As a appreciation to nature, this is how we get back to that. Okay. From tree planting activity, we can also nurture it for the kids, as they can as they can practice it from small and until they're big. So from this, we don't have to worry about always cutting down the trees, as we have a new generation that will plant new trees. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay guys, my personal suggestion for this upcoming activity is to organize trip to national park. I just google the objective of the national park. Okay, these three, which are to conserve the scenery and nature, to preserve and protect natural and cultural resource, and absolutely to conserve and preserve for young and future generation. There are many national parks in Malaysia, such as in Kuala Gandah Pahang, to protect elephant, Kuala Gula Perak to protect birds, and also one more, the most popular in Malaysia is in Sepilok Sabah to protect orangutan. One national park that I know in international is Yellowstone, America. But wait, so that's all for me.
Okay, but I think we should organize a camping trip to forest reserve, because we get to know more about nature, because it's forest reserve, right?
Yeah.
We contain more about flora and fauna. So during the previous day, I had experience to visit Sisfag, where during the camping trip, I get to know the uses of the stones, food sources around the Sisfag to cook for the food during the camping. So from the activity, from one activity we had joined, which is jungle trekking, we get to know more about species around the Sisfag, such as
I remember senduduk putih.
senduduk putih. I think it's senduduk bulu, right?
Yeah, senduduk bulu. Yes.
I think senduduk merah.
Senduduk merah?
No,
How about you?
I don't know.
Okay.
So what's your opinion?
Okay, I think I agree with Azira's opinion. In my opinion, tree planting is a great idea. As for me, if we experience it on our own, then we will have the truly deep feeling that we love nature. It comes deeply from our heart. Like as for me, as I studied in the foundation in agricultural science, we have practical where we harvest paddy, we harvest tomatoes. So actually, these are parts of tree planting too. So basically, we know how to harvest actually the fruits, the trees, how to plant trees in a correct way with all the poly bags and stuff. So I think tree planting is a great idea.
Wow, that's great, Aisha. But I'm sorry, but I have to strongly oppose you, Fatima.
Why?
Camping trip is as camping trip into forest, we cannot practice it as on our daily life. As well, in our camping trip, it's really fun, as we can do it in the forest and we can learn about many new things. But we cannot apply it into our daily lives because as I said, we live in a modernization. We don't really have that time to use that techniques and knowledge. We can use it on other else, but we don't really have that practical in our. We don't really practice it. Okay, that's all for me.
But I agree with you, Fatiha. Okay.
So what's your idea?
By organizing camping trip to forest reservation, the common activity that is done during the camping trip is jungle trekking, right? So while walking and sightseeing in the forest, we will know and learn many species of flora and fauna, especially which are limited and almost extinct, that need to be conserved and reserved for the sake of our future generation.
Okay.
But I totally disagree with your point, which is we should organize a trip to national park, because when we help, we should we need an expenditure to pay the entrance fee. So I think not all of not everybody are affordable to pay the entrance fee, as in this modernization we get that our economy is not stable. So I think the entrance fee could be more expensive. So when we have a trip to Kuala Gula Hutan Sepilok Sabah, I think it is not the best way to organize anything to have a trip.
I got your point. So I think.
Wait,
Yes.
I have a fun fact.
Okay.
National park usually is supported by organization, non-government organization and also government, such as UNESCO and also World
Wildlife Foundation.
Wildlife Foundation. Especially, one of the UNESCO have support the conservation and preservation of mangroves, but I'm not remember where's the place. That's all.
Nice sharing. I think we all have agreed that the best activity to be organized during this upcoming Nature Week is tree planting.
Tree planting.
Okay, can't wait for the activity. Okay,
Oh my
it's
God.
getting dark actually.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We need to go home.
My roommate will nag me.
Let's go. Bye. Bye.